Well, what do we have here? I'm going to be working on some drip irrigation out in a backyard, a typical backyard, okay? And the report was some of the drip bubblers are not working, some are laying down, some are spraying in certain areas where they're not supposed to be, and stuff like that. So if that's what you want to watch, I'm gonna kind of do a little walkthrough on some of this stuff that I'm gonna do, okay, and show you a few different things that you might want to be aware of. And any average Joe can do this work themselves. Now the owner, she didn't think she could do it on her own, and so she asked VideoJoe to come over. She even offered to pay me to do something that she didn't know how to do. Don't pay somebody else to do something you know you can do or you think you can do yourself with a little bit of help along the way from VideoJoe. I'll be back in a minute, so if that's what you want to watch, stick around. Now, as for this is the only things I'm probably going to be using here. Those things there, my little knee pad, maybe some pliers. I got some pliers in here too. Okay. And this is my Pop's nail bag. And when I come and visit Mother, I just use the tools that I have over at Mother's house. Okay. And this is my Mother's stuff. This is the stuff that I use around her house to fix all her drip irrigation stuff. And so I'm gonna pick bits and pieces out of here on whatever I need to fix. I mean, you can get the 1/4-inch tubing, you know, at the store. This was probably a 100-foot roll. They probably have 1/4-inch. Yeah, that was 100 feet. You can get it 50-foot lengths, all kinds of stuff like that. And along the way, you know, if I make a repair, I save little pieces in case I can use those for other things. I got some little plugs here from before. I got this to poke in if I want to add a bubbler. And here's the different bubblers. I got some inline bubblers, some 2 gallons. I think that's half. See, that's half GPH, gallons per hour. Okay, and I'll have to look and see, and along with the stuff that the owner has here, I think I can make do. If not, I'll go back to the store. You know, I got all this stuff from Lowe's. I need a new Lowe's bag here, don't I? And these are just, like I say, different things that when I do a repair, I throw them in here. Okay, so that's pretty much all I'm gonna need.